Want to save hours of work every single day? Here's one ChatGPT prompt you'll wish you knew sooner. Act like a productivity coach. I have 5 tasks to do today. Prioritize them and suggest how to batch or automate them. Boom! ChatGPT instantly tells you what to do first, what to skip, and how to get it all done faster. This works for students, freelancers, business owners, anyone who wants to stop wasting time. You'll get organized to-do lists, batch strategies, and AI-powered time management in seconds. Like this tip? Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you want more game-changing prompts like this. And don't forget to subscribe for daily AI tricks to boost your productivity